Welcome to Clipchamp. Let's dive into reversing your video clips effortlessly. First, upload your video. Click on Create a new video and select your clip. Once uploaded, drag your video onto the timeline. This is where the magic begins. Next, click on the clip in the timeline and access the settings. Look for the reverse option and click it. Your video will now reverse. Finally, don't forget to export your masterpiece. Click on Export and choose your settings. Make sure to choose a video that works well with reverse effects for best outcomes. Experiment with speed adjustments for unique effects that complement your reversed video. Consider adding music or sound effects that sync well with your reversed clip. Play back your reversed video, ensuring it flows perfectly and captivates your audience. Finally, share your creation. Show off your reversed video on social media. Follow these steps to create captivating reversed videos that impress your viewers.